One day, a young boy named Adam was walking through a crowded city where everyone seemed busy with their own lives. People were walking fast, looking at their phones, rushing to work, and no one noticed anything around them. Adam looked at all the people and wondered why everyone seemed so distracted and unhappy. As he walked further, he saw an old library building that looked very quiet and forgotten. Curious, Adam slowly opened the door and stepped inside. Inside the library, everything was calm and peaceful. The shelves were full of books that looked very old but very valuable. An old librarian sitting at the desk smiled and said, "Welcome, young man. Not many people come here anymore." Adam asked the librarian why the library was so empty. The librarian replied, "Because many people today think information on their phones is enough. But true knowledge comes from curiosity, patience, and learning." Adam walked through the shelves and picked up a book about history. As he opened it, he started reading about how great scientists, leaders, and thinkers changed the world by learning and asking questions. He realized that every great discovery began with someone who wanted to understand the world better. The more Adam read, the more excited he became. He forgot about his phone and spent hours reading and learning new things. Days passed and Adam kept coming back to the library. He read about science, space, inventions, and the stories of people who changed the world with their ideas. He learned that knowledge gives people the power to solve problems and create a better future. Slowly, Adam began sharing what he learned with his friends at school. At first, they were not interested, but when Adam told them amazing facts and inspiring stories, they became curious too. Soon, Adam and his friends started meeting every week to read books and discuss new ideas. They asked questions about the world, about technology, about nature, and about how they could improve their community. Their curiosity grew stronger every day. The librarian watched them and smiled because he knew that the love for knowledge had started growing again. One evening, Adam looked around the library and saw that it was no longer empty. More students had started coming to read and learn. The quiet place that once seemed forgotten had become full of energy and curiosity. Adam realized something very important. Knowledge spreads when one person becomes curious and shares what they learn with others. The message of this story is simple but powerful. In a world full of noise and distractions, knowledge is one of the greatest treasures a person can have. It opens minds, creates opportunities, and helps people understand the world in a deeper way. When we choose to learn, ask questions, and seek wisdom, we not only change our own lives, but also inspire others to do the same. Remember this: every great idea, invention, and discovery started with a simple question and a curious mind. So never stop learning, never stop asking questions, and never stop searching for knowledge, because knowledge has the power to change the future.